Please check out our shirt on Tespring.
Hello folks, guess what? I'm going to open a 1973 Tops Candy Lips found experience Target. So experience at Target is 22 Tops historic baseball cards. It comes with one pack of 35 cards. Let's see what kind of bigger treasures I'll find. Again, it comes with run back. This is scared, I don't see anything extra kind of autographs or never seen other cards yet. These things. So here's the first part of it. So let me know. I need kind of cool scratch Marty. Let me know what you think. What kind of cards you collect, what kind of channels that you check out on YouTube. Also, I'm looking for people to be part of my channel. Be nice. I'm doing this by myself. I try to make these videos under 3 minutes. I guess, that top-rated rookie right here. But, let's get a comment or something. Also, I got a Cash App because my dad helped me out. So I thought it'd be something special. Steve Davidson. Remembered. You got players from whatever. You gotta like to save leaders. Actually, can't remember American League. Alright. That's it for the video. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna do better next time. Thanks for watching.